Hello, this is Jerry Stoneware. Today I'd like to have a short demo how to create a report, PDF report, main enable. Okay, let's get started. I'm open ArcMap because ArcMap, when you use ArcMap, you can manually create a report. So this is ArcMap opened. I only need one feature class or layer. Okay. So here I have a table called owner view. Okay. So in ArcMap you can create report. You see, go to view report. I already created a report. I can load my report. I have 3 reports. Actually, the first one is just a label, and the last one is a report. Okay. Main enable is okay. I open it. Okay, you can see here. This main enable, you can go to send to property owner, and you just need a property address because that is come from this field called property add, and that's the is the property address. Okay, so I can go here. Okay, there's a sort. What are the report setting? Okay, I can run this. Yeah, you can run this. If this is manually you run it, you can get this menu. All of this from the template. And then you can export to report the file. Okay. Here you can select PDF. I think you can also select different style. Excel and all those style you can select. But this is the manual process, so I don't want to use manual process. I'd like to use I like to make this process automation. Okay, we can easily do it. We just use Visual Studio. Okay, you go here, you go to create a project, and you go to here. You need the ArcMap installed, so you can search the template. So you can create ArcMap add-in because these functions are working with ArcMap. It's okay. You just go to next. Because I already created. So in order to save time, I just show when you create it, you will have go to that create step by step. You will fill out because this is just a button. So if you button ID, give a class name. Okay, I will go to the code later and give a message. Okay, so you have a button property owner report class. You will see that is the class here. So this is the add-in ArcMap desktop add-in. You create a button, so that will automatically create a skeleton code for you, but don't have the details. only have some procedure or code function here. Okay, first the button you have one click event, and then you have those function on update, and you need to put the code. So those code you need to put there. You just need to use those code. But first you click the button. Okay, I show you. You click the button. You click button. You get your window login. Okay, that is here. So I need to create or go here, add a login form. Okay, login form here, and then I have the login form and fill those stuff when people put his or her name and password, and to see if he or she can log into the database, and if she can connect to the database, and then I will show the another form. Okay, so that is, so for example, I put username and password. Click OK if this user can access the downware database. Oh, let's retry. I think, oh, yeah, here. Yeah, username is wrong. Okay. So it brings another form here. So that is here. We call the problem owner form. You see problem owner form, and then from the problem owner form, first when the form load, it will load those ArcMap report template. So where is those template? Those template will be get from this location. Where is this location? Okay, that is coded here. This location is here. Okay, so and then those are the ArcMap report template, and then you need to select one. Okay, so that is, you go here, select index change. Okay, and if you select it is equal to this one, because if you select, it will create a main label to property occupant. So that we already demoed here. So we click here, and then origin. Okay. I needed to put somewhere. Don't put one for there. Okay, don't put document for here. Test. I just give test one. Okay. You see, it's correct. Main label. Okay. It's like this one. You create a main label is to the owner. Is not to the owner. The address is different with probably. Most of them are same, but some of them not living in the property. Living in the property because the owner may have another place to live. Okay, so yeah, that's the code after you select this, and then where is the generate? Yeah, generate button here. Okay, generate button. So the generate button just because we want to create a PDF, so it will get that feature class from ArcMap. You need to load this to the ArcMap. If that is in the ArcMap, and then you will check if they are within these three categories, and then it will export that to PDF. So yeah, because here you open that, you set the file attention to PDF. You can also do the Excel, but I just show the PDF. So you get here and load. Otherwise, if you don't select, you don't have this on your map, you don't have any parcel have selected, it will give you error message asking you to load the nail and select the parcel which you want to send, select the properties which you want to send to your letter to. So that's the process by this application. So, so I have setting out that. So you can query report. This is to report. You give a name, but I don't want too many words. Okay, just give this report. You see the report. Okay. Okay. It's a very simple function, yeah, here, because it can give those people who are not familiar with ArcMap the manually procedure to create a report, and they can quickly create many neighbors, and they don't need to check the date, check the table, grab those information. It will give the location and with all the information you need, and automatically create a many neighbor and the report. And so I think it's still useful, this ArcMap report function, and when you make it automation for those who are not frequently use ArcMap. And okay, I think that's it. Thank you very much for your watching, and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.